Welcome to my YouTube channel Round of Win. Today we have a great job opportunity from three different company and all job roles for software developer. In this video I will discuss all three jobs update and all eligibility criteria and selection process. Please watch this video till the end and also share video with your friends who are interested in to working for software developer role. So coming to the job first job is coming from HackerEarth. HackerEarth is recruiting for software engineer 2018 to 2020 graduation student. So also recruiting for fresher for 2020 batch and also those who have experienced from 2018 batch to 2020 batch. So the job location are for Bangalore. So coming to the roles and responsibility, so they are basically looking for those who are work on Django application microservices during the day, transform into that develops Savior at night. And also they are looking for those who have knowledge in relational database and those who have document your contribution at HackerEarth. We promote consuming content and even more so producing it. Write a new post on your engineering blog every time you roll something out. So these are the roles and responsibility you have to do in HackerEarth. The skills they are looking for in you is you have a good knowledge of web application and product life cycle, and the also knowledge and development of Linux system, ability to design, performance, scalability, availability. So you have the main knowledge of SQL. So they are mentioned everywhere SQL. So if you know SQL very well, then you can apply for this job. And you have you have to know some script language. So anyone script language, then this is beneficial for you. So you have also understanding of MVC framework. So this is very good job opportunity for everyone who are looking for a job for software developer. And you know HackerEarth is very good company. So HackerEarth is generally develop assessment software for any company. Those who are recruit a student or candidate from the platform, they conduct exam on the platform of HackerEarth. So there are many company like Walmart, Amazon, Siemens. These company are conduct their assessment exam on HackerEarth platform. And HackerEarth is also a community where most of the coder developer are used to code on HackerEarth, and they can compare to every student through the world or India, say how much they are good in coding, and they compare to each one to see what is his rank in India or in through any contest. And also the many companies like product based company will see your profile, and if your profile was good or in top ranking, then many of company recruit from the profile through HackerEarth platform. So HackerEarth is very good company. So this is very good opportunity, and the job location is Bangalore, and they are not mentioned any last date. So apply as soon as possible. I will give you the apply link in description. So coming to the second job is coming from Myntra is recruiting for data analyst job, and the job location is Pune, Bangalore, sorry. So Myntra is interested in candidate who are good in data analyst. So what is the role of data analyst? So data analyst, if you do job for a data good in SQL and Python. So if you know SQL and Python and have some basic knowledge of MS Excel, then you are good with data analyst. So they are highlighted some skills here, you can see there. So they are basically mention SQL, Python, and knowledge of Excel. And also if you have analytical skill and process orientation, so it is good for him. So the orientation is past background in data engineering is preferred, so not mandatory. So if you have knowledge of data engineering, then it is the chances of your selection is very high. So yeah, so these are the roles for data analyst. You can see here and the last date is not mentioned by Myntra, so you can apply as soon as possible. And the job location is Bangalore. There are also not mentioned any experience or fresher candidate, so you can apply any of fresher or experienced candidate as well. So the applying link is here, so I will give you the apply link in description. You have to just fill this form and you have to submit this application. After the shortlisting of your profile, they will give you the online assessment link for written exam, and then you have to give interview, and then you will be selected. So coming to the third job is coming from 10 times company. So 10 times is very good company in the field of business, and also they developing some networking and software platform. So they are looking for a software developer, and the job location is Noida. So in this you have to do with some frameworks knowledge. So you have to knowing knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the technology. I mean say just programming language. So if you have knowing of any one programming language like PHP, Java, C, C++, MySQL, Python, then it is good. So here they are welcome to experienced candidate as well as experienced candidate. So if you have any experience or if you are fresher, then you can apply and you are eligible for this. So they are mentioned only BTech from any technical stream, so CSIT. But if you have any other branches, if you know this these things, then you can apply, and the CSIT student will be preferred for this job. So 10 times is I already say you 10 times is the world number one business event discovery networking platform. So they are same, not mention any last date for apply. So apply as soon as possible. And if you want a career in software developer, so these three jobs are very good for software developer, and they are recruiting for mainly for software developer route. And apply as soon as possible. All fresher or experienced student are apply for all three jobs. So yeah, apply and share this video with your friends, those who are looking career in any IT company or for software developer. Thank you, all the best.